Today we are making an easy lemon mousse made with just 4 ingredients and whipped up in minutes. For our ingredients, we have heavy cream, confectionate sugar, lemon curd, and lemon zest. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to whip up some real easy whipped topping that just takes only a couple of minutes. We're going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You want to use a handheld or a stand mixer and whip anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed until medium peaks start to form. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to gently fold in our lemon curd and our lemon zest until it is evenly incorporated. We have finished mixing our lemon curd into our whipped topping. And look at it, it's just that easy. Now that we are done making our lemon mousse, we are going to divide it into some dessert glasses. We're going to garnish about 1.5 cups per serving. And here I'm just going to decorate the top with some whipped topping. And once I am done decorating them with the whipped topping, I'm going to garnish it with a little lemon zest. And I'm going to refrigerate it for about an hour or up to 24 hours to allow the mousse to chill. You want to serve cold. Today, we made some easy lemon mousse. Let me tell you, this is perfect for those hot summer months. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.